Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2017 Ford Transit T350. This is a mobility and wheelchair accessible van. The door is manual. This ramp is electric, and for the ramp to work, the ignition of the vehicle has to be on. The emergency brake has to be set, so the ignition has to be on. Emergency brake has to be pulled up. And you've got to have the power flipped to on. And when it's working, you see these lights. These are great. These are part of the ADA compliancy. If you need to use this vehicle at night or in a dark area, it's got lights all inside the van as well. Pretty self-explanatory. We're going to unfold it. We're going to bring it down. You got to hold these buttons. Swing it down. Once it's down, then we got to hit the down button. Pretty much a brand new, darn near brand new lift, very rarely used, excellent condition, just like this entire van. It works perfectly just like it should. And then of course, to get her back up, I'll take a quick ride here. We're gonna go up. See, it folds down just like so. I'll get all the measurements on the lift and everything like that. It's got a spot down here. Get both my hands on this for a second. And you can see the hook there in the back. The hook right there on the, so you don't have to hold it. You can wheel inside here. It's got all the tie down points. You can get up to 3 wheelchairs in here at a time. These seats are awesome. They'll fold up out of the way when you're not using them. If you want them down, pull the lever out. Got 3 seats here with the seat belt. Same setup back here. So if you want to haul 7 passengers, you know, plus a wheelchair back here, up to 7 passengers you can. If you want to put the seats up and haul 2, possibly 3 wheelchairs, of course, depending on the size, you have the option to do that as well. It's got the tie down points for the shoulder straps up top. Headliner looks great. And of course, it's got the jack there. It's got the spare tire underneath. You can also access inside the back doors. Got all the vents back here for the heat and air. Keep your passengers in the rear nice and cool. This van's super low miles. Pretty much a darn near brand new van for about half the price. Super clean. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. It's got the backup camera there. Pretty basic van, but got your plug-ins in case you want to do any electronics. In the rear, it's got the cup holders. More over here. It's got another plug back here in case you want to plug anything in, 12-volt plug back there. The dash is in excellent shape. The interior is all in great shape. This is a former, from what I understand, a former airport vehicle. And of course, when COVID happened, airport travel obviously died down quite a bit. So they had to get rid of a lot of their fleet. They had to take vans like this that were nearly brand new conditions and get rid of them. So that's why we have this darn near brand new van for a very good price. And of course, then you put the fold. There we go. Fold her back up, and you've got everybody secure. You hang up your controller. You're ready to go. If you ever do need to operate this manually, it's got the little stick, the lever there. It'll plug in the back here. Plugs in just right back there. You can crank it up and down. No, it's not fun to do, but it will keep you from getting stranded. So it's got the backup. Quick walk around to the van. Tinted windows in the rear. Now these tires are like new. Just everything on this van is like new. 2,500 miles on this van. And it is hard to find a dent or scratch on this thing. If I told you this van was brand new, you'd probably believe me. The roof is in excellent condition. I did find one tiny little scratch in the back, and I'm going to show that to you. But overall, this is a beautiful van. It's been very well taken care of. It came from Florida, so it's been down in the nice Florida warmth. Hasn't seen any ice that I know of. No rust. The only little blemish I found on the body, about the size, smaller than my fingernail right there. Just like something bumped into it. Who knows, you know, what happened. But I hope you can see by my video, I'm trying to be honest and fair as I possibly can. I'm not trying to pull any punches. You know, when you lay eyes on this van, I want you to say to yourself, this is exactly the van Jeremiah represented in the video. Not trying to hide anything from you. Trying to be honest as we can. The roof looks good. It's not all beat up. It's not all dented up. Very clean interior. Like I said, I'm just super impressed and super happy with this van, and I know you will be too. It does come with 2 sets of keys. Got the keyless entry. When I go to turn the van on, fires up first time every time. All the dummy lights work. There's no check engine light, no airbag, none of that stuff. Current miles 2,501 miles. Like I said, it's got the back cup camera. Great safety feature for you, or if you got any employees that are going to be driving this van. Has the rear air controls. Let's pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood, everything looks good. Idles smoothly. No signs of any accidents. No signs of any rust. No signs of any leaks. We inspect these vehicles very thorough before we buy them. And one of the things we do that very few dealers do, we not only get pictures of the undercarriage, I crawl underneath here, I show you how clean it is. A lot of these dealers, you'll notice, look at their pictures. They don't have any pictures of the undercarriage. They don't have, definitely don't have a video of the undercarriage. A lot of these dealers are buying these vans up north, New York, Chicago. They're all rusted out already. You know, if a vehicle's only a year or 2 old and it's already having rust issues, I promise you, you don't want to know what it's going to look like when it's 5-10 years old. Got the spare tire underneath there, very clean. Like I said, nice Florida van. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy vehicles. They assume things. They assume, oh, this van only has 2,500 miles on it. It's got to be a nice van. It's got to be rust-free. Or the salesman was very nice to me. Or it looks like a good price. Don't assume things. Get yourself a detailed video like this. If they're going to ask you to spend $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 or more on a van, and they won't get off their behinds and they won't get out and make you a video, but who are you buying from and what are they trying to sell you? People get scammed every day on the internet. Don't be one of them. Demand a video like this, a very detailed video. Make sure you know exactly what you're getting before it arrives. So let's get the van on the highway so you can hear it run. We've tested all the mirrors, all the power locks, the air conditioning. We don't assume things. I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We go out, we test everything. The air conditioning, heat both work good. So let's get this on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, final portion of the video. I always like to get the vehicles on a test drive, so you know that whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or you come in and drive this van home, you know that we've made sure that it's roadworthy. So get it out on the highway. Got up to about 67 miles an hour. You see the steering wheel is nice and straight. It's not bouncing back and forth. The vehicle tracks down the highway very nice. Feels like a brand new van. Super clean van. I'm very happy with it. I know there's a lot of people out there selling mobility vans. Keep in mind, check out their rating with the Better Business Bureau. We have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. If you're going to do business with people that don't have very good ratings, check out their Google ratings as well. Please compare theirs to ours. All the good things people have had to say about us. And as you know, buying a vehicle is difficult enough without having to deal with a scandalous used car salesman or something like that. I do business with a company like Affordable Mobility Solutions. We've got a great reputation. There's a reason we sell so many vans. It's these detailed videos. It's our good reputation. And of course, it's our prices. What I'm going to do is take the next exit. I'll give the van a hard brake at the bottom of the exit, so you can see there's no braking issues. I'm in off the highway about 50 miles an hour. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noises. So overall, the van's not brand new, but it's sure not far from it. It runs and drives like new. It looks darn near like new. The interior's darn near like new. So overall, should make a great van for you, your family, or your business for many years to come. And when you go back to comparing us to the competition, also keep in mind we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers online, they have a real nice price, and they try and add a $500 or $1,000 administrative or document fee or whatever they want to make up to try and charge you more money behind your back. That is not how I do business. The price you see on the internet is the price to get it to your door. Like I mentioned, when you add in all their fees, then you add in shipping, you've got another $2,000, $3,000 in fees. Nobody, and I mean nobody, can put a van in your driveway for anything close to what Affordable Mobility can. And also, we're out here making these videos, crawl around on the ground so you know exactly what you get. You know, you're dealing with other companies. They got the used car salesman. They don't care if you get a good deal. They don't care if you get the truth. All they care about is that commission check. Which, do you want to do business with a used car salesman? Or do you want to do business with the owner? If you want to do business with the owner, give me a call. 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. Again, my name is Jeremiah. If you're more of a text message, give me a text. 316-518-4377. Check out our entire inventory at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And you have my cell phone number to text me. You have the owner's cell phone number. That is me. Try to get the owner's phone number from one of these big companies. Ask them. Let me know how that goes. I'm interested to see how that works out. Do they care about you enough to give you the owner's cell phone number? Let me know. I think I already said it, but we got financing available, free shipping. If you have any questions, please give me a call. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call me today.